Moin Leute und herzlich willkommen im Jahr 2026. Ja, das ging jetzt schnell, ne? Finde ich auch. Ich möchte euch mit diesem Video ein bisschen einstimmen auf das Campingjahr und ein bisschen Lust machen aufs Reisen und aufs Campen. Und deshalb wird das ein Video ohne viel Gelaber und viel Gequassel. Ja, und deshalb würde ich sagen, nehmt euch einen Kaffee, lehnt euch zurück und viel Spaß. Genießt ein paar schöne Bilder zum Reisen.
blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone, sitting in my pocket, in plain sight, all alone. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding, an easy kill, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the fold, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Caught behind Elysian lines, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Look at me, man, what I've Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. up inside, heading for collision.